of asset. So if you see over a period of time, as your maintenance increases on an old asset, if you see those maintenance related defects also goes up. And then there are some other contributors as well, so which is more or less flat. But if you see in terms of effects, those goes on increasing over a period of time. Okay. What are these biggest contributors? I don't know. Annotation request. Somebody is asking me. Just to find out. My request is, if you have any questions, you can stop me in between and you can ask me the question, or you can use a chat box option and you can just raise your queries or questions on the chat box, and one of my colleagues help me to understand what is the query, and I'll try to answer that. Or we can have a small question and answer session in the end as well. Whichever way you are comfortable, I'm okay with that. Yeah. So site conditions are not equivalent to OEM clean room facilities. That is one of the thing. Major overall takes place only once after 15 to 20 years. Okay. So, and if the major overall is taking place only after 15 to 20 years of your initial installation and commissioning, there might be a chance that you're not getting a standard pair parts, you are getting some non-standard pair parts. Remanufacturing issues can be there with the spare requires, and then so these are the factors which are creating this maintenance related effect going up over a period of time. So this is a statistics in terms of a major failure. So if you see in 1992, as I said, the study was conducted by Seagray just to understand the distribution of major failures. And the data they come up with is, insulation related failures were contributing almost 57.3%. Then the next biggest contributor was mechanical trouble. Then the third one was gas leak, 12.4%. And there were other factors, which is like 12.3%. Okay. And then they also came up with some kind of data that where the condition monitoring can be used in GIS. So for insulation failures, they said yes, we can have a condition monitoring solution. For mechanical trouble also we can have, and for gas leak detection also we can have a condition monitoring solutions. And from there, the condition monitoring solutions market started picking up for GIS. So this was a recommendation, or this was the findings of Seagray in 1992. And after 20 years, they decided to do the same study again, which means they did it in 2012 just to understand again a distribution of major failures. Okay. And now what they realized is insulation failures, which were like almost 57.37%, it came down to 18.7%. Okay. Then the mechanical trouble, that increased because, and I'll explain the reason why that mechanical trouble increased, which was mainly